To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Porsche Cayenne S. That's the one with the V8 in it. Powerful beast. Have a look at the back here. It's got winter mats. It's got the cargo cover, little cargo net there. And underneath here is your spare tire in all its glory. And your wheel lock, etc. Your jack, everything's there, ready to go. The Porsche winter mats, nice added feature. The blind comes open like this and locks into place up there, and then push the button up there and the power tailgate closes beautifully. Look at that. What a beautiful car. Porsche Cayenne S. Notice down here on the chrome there's a little bit of bubbling. That's not rust or anything, it's just air trapped underneath the chrome. It's got backup sensors, which are right there. It's got a backup camera under there. It's got the beautiful dual exhaust. And again, what a beautiful machine from the back there. Gorgeous. Great looking tires on it, Pirelli Scorpions. Nice looking 19-inch rims, no curb rash, no issues. Beautiful calipers, painted rotors, brand new brakes. Unbelievable car. That is amazing. In the back here, you've got a flip down seat so that you can put that down flat. You've also got the ability to recline those seats as well. So you'll see that the other side is reclined more than this, so you can move them back and forth. It's got a power door lock button in the back, cup holders there in the armrest, and wow, the car is just as clean as a pin. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Nice Bose sound system. Climb up here to the front where you've got an 8-way power passenger seat. The ultimate in comfort in a seat, just fabulously comfortable. Have a look in the door frames. I mean, I'm really excited about this car, but it is just amazing. Nice Bose sound system there, cup holders in the doors as well as over here in the console. But let me show you that the books are there, all of the books, everything's there. There's a boomerang in it, so I don't know if it's got boomerang or not, but we certainly don't want to not have the boomerang with it, so there it is. It's got wood grain in the dash, which is a nice feature. There you have the cup holders, dual cup holders, and then in here, nice glove box with your line in and USB ports right there. Okay, so let's go around and have a look. Nice to see the wood grain in the door panel there. That's really nice. Nice looking wood grain there. This one also, of course, has the panoramic sunroof, so let me just show you. That is huge, isn't it? Ginormous sunroof in this one. So here it is from the top. Beautiful. Here's your right front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Beautiful big calipers, Scorpion Pirellis on the tires. Under the hood, 4.8 liter V8, 400 horsepower, just kicks this thing around like crazy. It goes like mad. What a fun vehicle to drive, as every Porsche should be. Outstanding condition, as you can see, clean, tidy, ready to go. Let me close the hood and show you. This one's got the good gold hood ornament on it, and it's got 3M all over the front, so 3M protection. Let me just see if I can show you the line there. So yeah, it's got the 3M protection, so no stone chips to talk about, nothing to worry about there. Front parking sensors, fog lamps. Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Beautiful, clean piece, just gorgeous. And one more wheel at the back, also is nice, just beautiful. Painted rotors, painted calipers, brand new brakes, everything's ready to go. Just beautiful. Ashtray, sir? Hard to believe, but yes, there's still ashtrays in these cars. And then up here, you've got driver memory package, power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors. Your power trunk button is there as well. So all the features just beautifully laid out. Cup holder in the door there, and then your 6-way power seat here. The cleanliness of this car, it is just amazing, and the condition, outstanding. It has been well loved. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up, which of course on a Porsche, I have to change hands because Porsche has, well, they have a very unique key. You'll see the nice little key, the shape of a Porsche, but that goes in the left-hand side on a Porsche. So let me just fire it up for us. There you go, 80,511 kilometers. This one has manual tilt and telescopic. It also has factory navigation. which we're just going to show you there. It's got a compass in the dash, which is awesome. You can set it to clock and do a bunch of features with it. Here's your factory navigation. It has a backup camera like so, and then lots and lots of little buttons there, just beautifully laid out. Of course, your automatic air conditioning and your heated seat, and your temperature and fan controls there. This is for your rear defroster, front defroster. Down here we've got the heated windshield button, our hill descent and traction control off, and a sport button. And then of course in this one here, when we pull it over here, we can do shifting from here. So you'll see up here, you see me shifting 1, 2, 1, 2. So I can do it that way, or I can do it this way here and shift it back and forth here. So I've got paddle shifters as well as a slap shifter, and then beautiful wood grain in the shifter knob and beautiful wood grain on the steering wheel up there, so that your steering wheel doesn't get all dirty looking. Nice gold Porsche emblem in the steering wheel. There's your radio controls there and your dash controls there. So up here, push this button and then you can scroll through and have different features displayed on your dash over here. Really nice. So we can go back and we can have navigation described there. So the map will come back up over there. And then over here we've got the volume control and radio controls there. Beautiful. Really nicely designed vehicle. We've got heated steering wheel as well. So I'll turn that on to show you that that's there, on and off. The heated seats, which I've shown you. Wow. And then up here lights up like an airplane. And you've got the power panoramic roof, which opens like so, and you'll see the blind working beautifully there. And we'll close this so that you can see that's working. And then we've got another button up here which we can use to close the blind. So you'll see the blind coming forward now to cover the roof, keep the sun off your heads and the heat. And it's working perfectly and looks fabulous. Awesome. Nice. What a machine. Really excited about this car. It is awesome. So, you see the interior. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so climb up to the front and show you those great big HID lights and the LED lights in action there. Beautiful. It sounds mean too. Just a great piece. So no real damage. I can show you there's a little door chip right there, but nothing to worry about. It's in the plastic. Other than that, I really can't point out any flaws on the car. It is amazing. So there you have it, folks. That's a very luxurious 2011 Porsche Cayenne S with the V8, all-wheel drive, of course. This one's got the sunroof, the compass, the nav, the XM, the tilt and telescopic, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.